Okay, so you have a video like this and you don't like the background of your video. You want to remove it and replace it with another one. For example, an animation background and an image of your office or stuff like that. And it is very simple to do it in Camtasia with just one special effect. Okay, so let me show you how to do that in Camtasia. Camtasia is the software that I use to create online tutorial here on this channel for about 6 years. I think it is one of the best software for creating online training video. Okay, especially the screen recorder is very good, and also the video editor is very simple to use also. If you want to try the software, go ahead to the link in the description. Okay, and I have 10% discount coupon to save your money if you want to purchase a license of Camtasia. Alright, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, so this is my Camtasia 2023. So let's create a new project. Okay, and next step, we want to import our video by drag and drop it into the media library. Okay, and next step, I want to just put this video on the timeline. Okay, so for example, I already have a video on the timeline in Camtasia. Okay, so you have a video like this, and now if I want to remove the background of my video, all I need to do is to go to Visual Effects tab right here and select Visual Effects again, and then see this option, background removal. And now all you need to do is to drag and drop it directly to your video. Okay, and it will remove the background of your video, something like this. Very nice, right? And if you want to adjust the edge of the character, stuff like that, you want to go to the property panel here on the right side. So we have two options for the quality, balance and accurate. So it is something like the edge of the character. If you select accurate, it will try to remove everything in the background and just make the edge close to the edge of the character here. Okay, and you can also adjust the feather also. For example, we can increase the feather a little bit, something like this. And for the opacity, it is the opacity of the background. Okay, if you increase the opacity to 100%, it will bring the background back to your video. Okay, so we want to make it like 0%. All right, so now we have a video without background, but we need to replace it with something else, right? So we can go to media. And let's find a background here. So I want to find a background. In Camtasia, we have an online library where we have many material that we can use for our video. Okay, for example, I can select this. Okay, so I can go with a motion background. So I just wait a few seconds. Okay, so I think this should be the one that I can use. Red background, new sets. Okay, just drag and drop it. Okay, and now we have a background here, and let's play. Okay, so you have a video like this and you don't like the background of your video. You want to remove it and replace it with another. Alright, so that is how to remove the background of your video without green screen in Camtasia. And now you can add some fancy background to your video like this, and this, and this. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.